We're so glad you're with us today. Do you have diabetes or know someone living with the disease?
KentuckyOne Health is inviting you to come out to the Diabetes Expo. Claudia Burnett, a registered dietitian, and Amanda Goldman, the Quality and Wellness Director, are here to tell us all about it. Thanks for being here. Appreciate it.
Thank you.
You're going to have a lot of information gathered together. Tell us about the Diabetes Expo. What can people expect?
Sure. Well, we're really excited about it. It'll be our second annual one that we've had. We'll be offering people to come. It's free for the community. And we'll offer a variety of screenings that day, foot screenings and blood glucose screenings, cholesterol screenings, and then we'll also have a panel of speakers that Claudia will tell you about.
And Claudia, people literally need to learn how to eat, right? And that is part of what you'll be talking about there.
Yes, and not just about eating. We're going to talk about exercise. We're going to talk about medications, making sure we've taken the proper medications and when to take them. We have a pharmacist on the panel. We also talk about monitoring, which includes lab tests and blood sugar testing and things that are important for somebody with diabetes. So we have a physician, an endocrinologist on the panel, and a dietitian to talk about healthy eating, and then an exercise specialist talking about exercise.
What do you think are some of the biggest misconceptions when people get that diagnosis? Do they feel like they're not going to be able to enjoy life? What do they think?
I see people who come to me with the new diagnosis in a wide range of emotions. Anger, denial, thinking that they knew like somebody in their family that has had complications from diabetes. And diabetes can be well managed and controlled, and you don't have to look at the complications. Another thing that we're targeting is pre-diabetes. And people who are diagnosed with pre-diabetes, type 2 can be prevented, and so they are given the opportunity when they're diagnosed to prevent type 2 diabetes.
It's a good time to do it.
Zeroed in on that the other day because, yeah, I mean, if you're in that situation, the number is up there, but there are things you can do to back it off, huh?
Yes, absolutely.
So tell us the details. Where do people show up, and do they need to register? What do we need to know about it?
Yes, so we have some information on our website right now, and then the registration will open on Monday, this coming February 20th. And it will be over at St. Joseph East in the medical office building, which is a really nice venue. We'll have lots of vendors and informational tables when they first walk in on the first floor, and then on the second floor in our education centers where we'll have our panel of speakers. And we're also having a cooking demonstration that day with a couple of our chefs. So we're really excited. It's going to take over a lot of that building, and we're hoping to have a number of folks from the community to come out and see us that day.
All right, sounds
Very good.
Really is a challenge here in Kentucky. We
Yes,
thank you for coming.
Yes, it is. Thank you for having us.